Here I'm going to be showing you how actually DaVinci Resolve looks like. So if you're a complete beginner, it can be a little bit overwhelming, this software, but let's go through each and every step, or let's go through each and every section step by step. So this is how it looks in the beginning. And if you go in the bottom, you can see that there are different tabs. So this is a tab which is called Media tab. So here you can import all the videos, whatever I have given you or from your personal project here in the Media tab. And then we have the Cut tab. So Cut tab, like I used to, cut the clips, trim the clips, put them together in the Cut tab, but I don't do it anymore because you can do the exact same thing in the Edit tab. So Edit tab would be the place where we're gonna be building up the entire video. And once we are done with the Edit tab, then we go to the next one, Fusion tab. So in Fusion tab, you do like kind of animations, or you do, the travel map animations. We are not gonna go super in depth in Fusion tab, but I'm gonna show you some really cool stuff that you can do in your videos. So Fusion is mostly for animation. Then comes my favorite tab, the Color tab. DaVinci Resolve is known for professional color grading, and this is how it looks. This is where I spend also most of my time after editing. And after the Color tab, we have Fairlight tab. So here you kind of adjust the audio, you mix them, you enhance the audios. I'm going to show you how to do it. And lastly, we have the Export tab. So by end of this entire class, I'm going to be showing you the best video settings or the best export settings to get the highest quality export, and also for different formats such as social media, YouTube, Vimeo if you want. So yeah, these are 7 tabs in DaVinci Resolve. First, we're going to be starting with the Media tab, but that would be in the next chapter. So let's go.